In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the link name or edit and rename a Google Sheets link. This simple process can help make your spreadsheets more organized and accessible, especially if you're sharing them with others. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open a Google Sheet. It can be one you've previously created, or you can start a new sheet. This step is crucial as it serves as the foundation for the actions we're about to take. Ensure you're logged into your Google account so you can seamlessly access your documents. Once your Google Sheet is open, direct your attention to the menu bar at the top of the page. Click on the Insert option. This menu contains various options that can help enhance your spreadsheet, and it's where you'll find the tool to manage links. Clicking Insert will unveil a drop-down menu displaying multiple features, including Link. Moving on, click on Link from this drop-down. This action will open up a dialog box where you can paste and manage the hyperlink you intend to insert into your spreadsheet. It's a handy feature that allows you to directly link sections of your sheet to external resources or even other sheets. Now, you'll paste the URL into the empty space provided in the dialog box. Make sure to copy the full URL from your source and paste it correctly in the designated field. This ensures your link will direct to the correct location. After pasting, you should have a clear idea of where this link will lead anyone who clicks on it. To finish inserting the link, click on the Apply button at the bottom of the dialog box. This action will embed the link into the selected cell of your Google Sheet, thus making it clickable. It's important to check that the link works by clicking on it yourself. If at any point you wish to edit this link, start by going to the cell where the link is placed. Click on it again and return to the Insert menu. This time, select the Edit Link option. This feature is particularly useful if you need to update the linked URL or adjust its name for clarity. While in Edit Link mode, you have the opportunity to update the name that displays in your sheet itself. This is how you can rename the link, making it more descriptive and user-friendly. After you're satisfied with the changes, remember to click Apply. Finally, if you're seeking additional resources or information about Google Sheets or related topics, you might want to check out YouTube. The platform hosts numerous tutorials that can further expand your knowledge and skills in using Google Sheets effectively. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to change, edit, or rename a Google Sheets link. With these steps, you can ensure that your spreadsheets remain organized and easy to navigate. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting!